Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your iPhone completely. And by resetting, what I mean is any application that you're having issues with, your mail applications, there are certain things sometimes that you can't really work on because the application is giving you issues, and you try uninstalling it and reinstalling it, and still you're having the same issue over and over. But by following this method, you're going to be able to fix all those issues. So for that, you need to go into settings. Once you're in the settings, go into general. Once you're in general, scroll up, and then at the very bottom, you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. So click on that. And once you're over here, you're going to click on reset. You don't want to do erase all contacts and contact and setting, because that's going to reset your entire phone and you're going to lose everything. But by following this method, you're not going to lose any of your data, any of your pictures. Everything will be remain the same except for the settings for your phone will be reset. So you will lose your Wi-Fi and you may have to put in the password again for your Wi-Fi and stuff like that. But you're going to have all your pictures and everything saved. So click on reset, and then you're going to click on reset all settings. Now, once you tap onto all settings, you don't want to do any of the following. Only do reset all settings. And once you click on the reset all settings, it's going to ask you for your password. Put in the password, and then it's going to ask you final reset all settings. Now, if you have a phone with eSIM, it may give you a prompt that, hey, do you want to keep your eSIM with your account, or do you want to erase it? But you do want to keep it on that note. So some of you may not even have eSIM, so don't worry about it. Just click on reset all setting, and the phone is going to do its thing. It's going to restart your device, and once you reboot, it's going to fix all your issues that you're having with your mail or any other applications. Excuse my kid on the background, but that's just wanted to show you guys how you can do that. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Thank you.